Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing addition and subtraction. This is technique number 10, episode 14. So today's technique is how to borrow 10 and 100 to add 5 or 50, or how to borrow 10 and 100 to reduce 5 and 15. Suppose you have 100 on your abacus and you want to reduce only 50 from here. First you have to reduce 100 and add 50 for that. If you have 10 on your abacus and you want to reduce 5 from here, first you have to reduce 10 and add 5. Suppose you have 5 on your abacus and you want to add another 5. First you have to reduce 5 and borrow 10. Suppose you have 50 on your abacus and you want to add another 50 here. First you have to reduce 50 and borrow this 100. This is the technique. So let's do this technique with 4 examples which will make you very clear about this. First, place 56. This is my marked rod. I'm starting from this rod. 56, this one is 5, 0, 50 and 6, you can do like this. 56, another 55. First add 50, then 5. We have only 40 on this rod, so we have to borrow this 100 to add 50. So I explained that a little bit ahead. To add 50, first reduce 50, add 100. And for 5, reduce 5 and add 10. Next is reduce 55. First reduce 50 from here. You have only 100 here. So first you have to reduce 100 and add 50 to reduce 50. And for 5, reduce 10 and add this 5 to reduce 5. And last one is reduce 56. This one is 50 and this one is 6. Let's do another example. First place 79. This is 70 and this is 9. And next is 55. Add 55 means first you have to add 50. To add 50, first reduce 50 and borrow this 100. And for 5, reduce 5 and borrow this 10. Next is reduce 55. So first reduce 100 and add 50 to reduce 50. And for 5, reduce 10 and add 5. And last one is 79. Reduce. This is 70 and this is 9. Example number 3. 23. 23. Next is 98. So we have only 70. This 10th rod. So we have to borrow this 100 to add 90. First reduce 10, add 100, and to add 8, reduce 2 and borrow this 10. If you still don't know how to borrow 10 or how to borrow 5 for subtraction and addition, you have to watch my episode to be cleared, and link is in the description box. Please check that. And next is reduce 98 to reduce 98. First reduce 90. So we have only 20 here. So we have to borrow this 100. So first reduce 100. We are reducing 90 means you have to add this 10. And next is reduce 8 to reduce 8. Reduce 10 first and add this 2. Next is reduce 23. So 23. This is clear. Example number 4. Place 89. So 80 and this is 9. Next is 78. To add 70 you have to reduce 30 and add 100. And to add 8 you have to reduce 2 and add 10. Next is reduce 78. So we have only 60 here, so we can't reduce 70 from this rod. So we have to borrow this 100 to reduce 70. You have to reduce 100 first And 7 and 3 are friend means 70 and 30 are friend. We are reducing 70 means we have to add 30 here. And to reduce 8, first reduce 10 and add 2. And last one is reduce 89. This is 80 and this is 9. How is going on? So hope you can understand my explanation. Please do not comment on my English language. English is not my mother tongue, so I am trying my best to explain these techniques. Let's do some exercises with this hand abacus. First place 23, 23 and 55. This is 50 and this is 5. Another 55. So we have to borrow this 100. To borrow 100, first reduce 50 and add 100 for 50 and reduce 5 and add 10 for 5. And next is 111 and reduce 55. First reduce 100 and add 50 for to reduce 50, and for 5 reduce 100 and add 5, and your answer is 8, 9, 89. Number 2, 1 to 12, 66. This one is 60 and this one is 6. 55, reduce 50, add 100 for 50 and reduce 5, add 10 for 5. Reduce 23, this is 20 and this is 3, and reduce 55, reduce 100 and add 50 for 50, and for 5 reduce 10, add 5, and your answer is 55. 32 and 56, this is 50 and this is 6. 55, reduce 50, add 100 for 50, and for 5 reduce 5, add 10. Next is reduce 39, 30, and for 9 reduce 10, add 1. To reduce 65, reduce 100 first and add 40 to reduce 60. This is how to borrow 10 technique. Please check my episode to know in detail. And next is reduce 5, reduce 10, add 5. Answer is 3, 9. First 82 and reduce 25. This is 20, and for 5 reduce 10, add 5. Add 55, reduce 50, add 100 for 50, and for 5 reduce 5, add 10. 31, this is 30 and this is 1. Reduce 55, so reduce 100, add 50 to reduce 50, and to reduce 5, reduce 10, add 5, and your answer is 88. 71, 1, 6, 16, this is 1 and 6, 16. 51, this is 5, 1, 51. Reduce 26, 26. Reduce 55, this is 50, and to reduce 5, reduce 10, add 5, and your answer is 7. Last one, 1 for 14 and 65, this is 60 and this is 5. 55, to add 50, reduce 50, add 100, and to add 5, reduce 5, add 10. Reduce 24, this is 20 and this is 4. Reduce 55, reduce 100, add 50 to reduce 50, and for 5, reduce 10, add 5. And your answer is 55. Please do these exercises by yourself once again, and if you have any comment, any questions, please comment to me. I will definitely answer that, and hope you understand my English language and my style of explanation. If you have anything, please comment to me, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you again in next episode. Tata!